Hi y'all, we're gonna make some Callaloo and Saltfish Jamaican style. So let's get right into it. We all know we're gonna saute some nice seasoning, okay? Onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, and everybody a saute. Nicely in our oil, just like this. Pot pretty, that's what we want, okay? Yes. So we're gonna saute our seasoning until it's nice and looking good, okay? The aroma alone is kicking up a storm. Now we're gonna jump right in and add some Easispice, okay? Jerk seasoning. We're gonna give that a stir also. And as you can see, a little part in the pot right there, that's our saltfish. We already boiled off camera. So right here, I'm adding a teaspoon of Goya and I'm adding a teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose seasoning. Okay, guys, and we're gonna give that a little stir so that our seasoning can spread throughout. Okay, we want our flavors to spread throughout. Every bite gonna have a good taste. All right. So now I'm going in with my saltfish. Guys, be careful of the powder seasoning because of salt, and you know we're using saltfish. But add your saltfish to your pot. Then after you add your saltfish, and go ahead, add you some black pepper. Okay, as you see I'm doing right here, I'm adding some black pepper. And right after you add all those things together, you want to give this a nice stir. Yes, guys, stir your pot. Look at all those colors. You want to smell the kitchen? It smells so good. Okay, y'all? Yes, I promise. Now look at that. We can eat this right now. And I'm using Callaloo from the Tin Linstead market. Guys, that's one of the best in the Aki and also in the Callaloo. But you can go ahead and use your fresh Callaloo if you want to. But I can't bother with no stripping and cutting. Yeah, can't bother with no cutting up. But this is my pot of Callaloo and saltfish. And y'all, I used 2 tin. You can go ahead and use 1, but I do it because of family size. And this is where you have it, guys. Now leave this to simmer for about 3 to 5 more minutes because your Callaloo is already cooked. And this is I'm gonna be serving it, okay? Yes, fried breadfruit, fried plantains, Callaloo and saltfish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so very much for watching. That girl Plummy, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.